Hello? Hi, darling. I miss you too. You on your way home? Okay, I'll see you soon. I love you too. Hello? Yes, can I please have one large plain pizza? Delivered. 1515 Waterfront Place. My total is $15. That's perfect. Alright, thank you. I guess I can't wait to try to clean up a little bit before he comes. What the hell is this? A used condom. No way. I got something for the husband of mine later. A used condom? No way.
Hey, honey.
Hi. How are you?
Good, you?
I'm fine.
How's your day?
Okay. I ordered pizza. Thank you. Here you go. Why don't you come eat? How was your day?
Got it.
It's good, yours?
Very interesting.
What's so interesting about it?
I was reading this article about this wife that cut off her husband's genitals because he cheated on her. You okay?
Yeah, that's terrible. That's terrible. Did you make any dessert with this?
I totally forgot. I made your favorite. What the hell is this?
Oh shit.